The magic of synchronicity. Understanding the power of our frequencies. There are people and situations that are attracted by synchronicity. These are not coincidences, as they do not exist in the universe. This attunement occurs because each one of us emits a wave frequency, as we are all made up of energy. Synchronicities. This frequency consists of our personal magnetism, and this is what determines who we attract or not into our life. The more you take care of yourself in terms of thoughts, words, attitudes, the more you recognize yourself. Meditate. Free yourself from judgments and egos. The higher your vibrational frequency, and this magnetism increases in frequency, and you attract more people aligned with you. Carl Jung said that synchronicity is an ever-present reality for those who have eyes to see. Synchronicity could be an enigmatic mechanism that allows the communication of the unconscious with its environment. They are subtle clues from the universe that indicate we are on the right path. The universe lets us know that we are doing an excellent job. Lack attracts lack, fear attracts bad situations, and diseases, lack of love for yourself, attracts more lack of love. That's how it works. There is no other way to do it. As you increase your vibration, you will lose friends. This is because you no longer have much in common. The same happens in romantic relationships. If these people are not on the same vibrational frequency, there is no synchronicity. Let life flow and do not cling to the process. Just live it and feel it every day of your life. Be what you seek in the other and attract all the best to you. Always use positive words, leave victimhood and complaining. Take responsibility for everything that happens to you. No solution is outside of your being. Therefore, it is very important in these times to have moments where we silence the mind, to listen to the inner wisdom that we all have. We are part of the whole, and there is a divine spark in each one of us. The universe is perfect, and as part of it, we are parts of that perfection. Reclaim your inner power because we are co-creators. There are synchronicities, for example, also in numbers. They are messages from the universe. If you frequently see these numbers, the universe is telling you 1111, new beginnings, 2222, keep the faith, 3333, we are here, 4444, you will never be alone, 5555, positive changes will come, 6666, balance your thoughts, 7777, spiritual growth, 8888, abundance surrounds you, 9999, something is coming to an end. Solar hug for my brothers who are in sync with the love and the light of God, Father, Mother. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light. Voice for We Are Positive worldwide. Always remember that you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.